Hi, and we're back with another video on productivity using the Microsoft Adaptive Accessories. Using profiles or usage profiles, we can boost productivity as we can switch button functionality to be optimized for different things. Given that this is going a bit beyond Yara's usage, she gets to play whilst I'll be doing the work today. Let's get into it. So I'm using this 3D printed bracket that provides 1/4-inch mounting features that nicely snaps into the bottom of my button to mount it next to the dual button and the D-pad button that I already have here. So this custom joystick topper provides more grip and decreases the force you need to apply on the button. But you can obviously also attach a larger D-pad if you need more button space to interact with. Now, like we've been showing before, I'm using this joystick button and the dual button to mouse around and do my left and right click. And in addition, I have a D-pad set up here on the left with all kinds of useful productivity shortcuts like scroll up and scroll down, being able to toggle the on-screen keyboard on when I need it and off when I don't. And bottom left triggers voice access to control your PC with voice. Show numbers. 8. Obviously, you decide which functionality you map to which button input. In order for me to switch profiles, I've configured my D-pad right button to do so. Profiles enable you to greatly extend your button inputs. And having switched to profile 1, this now allows me to zoom in and out with the controls I was using before to do the scrolling. With this profile specifically set up for Teams, it now enables me to raise my hand, toggle my camera on and off, and exit the call. Now as I continue here, I toggle back to my previous profile to mouse around, bring up the on-screen keyboard, and type in the name of the game I want to play. And as we're waiting for the game to load, let's switch to the profile I set up to play this game. And in this profile, I've also remapped my joystick button to AWSD, opposed to mouse cursor movement, and also remapped the dual button and the D-pad to be optimized for this game. Now let's exit the game and switch to the last profile I set up to control my music app, which is running in the background, and use the button as a music controller. So how can you set up your profiles? You can configure a total of 4 different profiles for each of the buttons and the hub in the Microsoft Accessory Center. Profile 0 is the default. Simply configure your button switches per profile, like scroll wheel up for profile 0, and for profile 1, selecting magnifier zoom in for the same switch, which you saw me use earlier to zoom into the browser. Also remember me using the top right D-pad button to end my Teams call using this shortcut key. But quite obviously you can configure these profiles any way to fit your needs. Last but not least, we definitely want to point out that on profile 0, you can also start creating app-specific profiles, of which the button configuration is only active when that app is in use. This way you can create very specific app setups without sacrificing any of the standard profiles that you might want to use for more generic usage. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope you gained some new insights.